In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and upload an image with Make.com. We're going to build a simple automation that pulls an image from the web and places it into a destination of your choice. This is perfect for backing up assets, gathering media from a source you trust, or moving content into your storage or site with zero manual work. Start inside Make.com and open a new workspace. Click Create Scenario to begin. A scenario is just a workflow made of connected modules. Think of it as a chain. One module downloads the image, and the next one uploads it where you want it to go. Next, add the tool that will fetch the file. In the module search, type HTTP and choose the action called Download a File. This module reaches out to a URL and returns the image as binary data, which is exactly what we need for the upload step. Now paste the direct URL of the image you want to download. A direct URL usually ends with a file extension like .jpg or .png and opens the image itself when you visit it in a browser. Avoid links that require a login, expire quickly, or include personal tokens. If you can open the image in an incognito window without signing in, it's likely a good direct link. With the download set, add your upload destination. Click the plus button and pick the service you want to use, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or WordPress. Choose the app you already have connected to Make. If the service needs authentication, make sure your connection has permission to upload files. Inside that app's options, select the action called Upload a File. You'll usually see fields for the folder or path, the file name, and the file content. Set the location details to match where you want the image to land. Now map the downloaded file into the upload module. Use the file output from the HTTP step, typically shown as data, content, or a similar binary field. If there's a separate file name field, you can keep the original name from the URL or type your own descriptive name. Just keep the correct extension so the file opens properly. Time to test? Click Run once. Watch the run to confirm the HTTP module completes and the upload module finishes successfully. Then check your destination to make sure the image is there and opens as expected. If you see an error, double-check that the URL is truly direct, that it's publicly accessible, and that your destination connection has write access. That's it. Your image now flows from the web straight to your chosen service. Thanks for watching.